We were sent this sewing kit to give a try and show you all about it, and it is incredible on how much this sewing kit includes in a kit that is so tiny. It is the size of my hand, so it's perfect, especially when you don't have a ton of room. So let me show you what's inside. This extra large kit has 36 different threads in a variety of colors, and it has a good amount of thread on each one of the spools as well. There are 30 assorted needles, a measuring tape, 6 large eye needles. We have a crochet hook and knitting needles, pins and a pin cushion, safety pins, some scissors, thimbles, a seam ripper, magnifying glass, clips, and so much more. And again, it's all in a contained case that is the size of the height, or the width of it is the size of my hand, and it's not much bigger than that on the height. So it's super compact. It's just a great way to be able to travel with it. But also if you just don't have a ton of room and maybe don't have the luxury of a craft room, this is so small and really is compact. Definitely just the amount that is included in it is spectacular.